This is probably one of the most requested looks I've ever had. Let's recreate it. Priming my eye first, as always. This palette is so perfect for the look. We're gonna start with this shade, and we're just gonna press it through here, bringing it over this way, stopping about right there. We're gonna go ahead and tap twice into that shade, and we're gonna tap that right above the darkest shade, and we're gonna take it right through here. I need to create a pinky orange, so I'm grabbing this shade with a little bit of this shade. Now we're gonna tap that right where we placed that base. A dot of micellar water, concealer brush. We're gonna clean up underneath here. Now we're gonna take that darkest shade we first laid down and just kind of press that into the lash line. Adding a little bit of mascara. Let's do a little bit of priming with this. Watch this. And it's gone. And we'll start to press this into the skin. Let's pop on some concealer. Let's go ahead and set our under eye. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with this. If you don't have it, you better run and get it. I'm gonna press this in to the outer perimeter of the face, avoiding right through here. We're gonna bronze with this Laura Geller bronzer. Now we're gonna press that first shade right underneath our bottom lash line. Notice I'm pressing. Let's go ahead and brighten our waterline. Let's grab a peachy blush and we'll press this in on the apples of the cheeks and all the way back here. Cool tone lip liner. I applied this Makeup Forever liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna tap it in. If your gloss gets out of control, grab a concealer brush, nothing on it, and just kind of go around the edges and then wipe it off. Go around the edge, wipe it off. And this is the finished look. I even matched my nails. This was such a fun look to recreate.